Welcome to Blackhawk Middle School, and this is one last tour before they do the renovations.
What is your favorite thing about Blackhawk?
My favorite thing about Blackhawk is the school spirit we have here.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
What's your favorite thing about Blackhawk?
The students, no question.
Thank you.
And this is the lunchroom where we get our hang out with our friends. Yeah. And this is geography, beaches, strings, and band. It's pretty over there, which is choir, piano. Okay, and there are a lot of women, and it's also led by one of the best.
What's your favorite part about Blackhawk?
Coming to work, seeing all my children.
Okay, thank you. What's your favorite thing about Blackhawk?
My favorite thing about Blackhawk would be two things. The people that are here, both staff and students, make this place a great place to be. And my second thing would be the drama program, because I love everything to do with it and all the kids in it.
That's us.
This is the garage where no one knows what it is, aka outside tours.
Yep. Hi, what's your name and what grade are you in?
Mackenzie, and I'm in 7th grade.
Okay, are you excited for summer?
Yes.
Why?
I get to sleep. I'll be able to hang out with my friends more, and yeah.
Okay, thank you. Interviewed?
Girl, can you shut up? I was trying to scare her.
Oh, do you want
It's really bright out here. This is the buddy bench where you can sit down and find a friend.